our immense pleasure that the Chairman of District Legal Services Authority Kurukshetra, Shri Dinesh Kumar Mittal sir, is also among us, who has graced this occasion with his presence. He always provided valuable insight to further the cause of Legal Services Authority. His kind support always boosted the morale and infused us with energy. Under the initiative of Nai Disha, Nai Udan, the goal of Legal Services Authority Kurukshetra is to provide a platform to all stakeholders who are dealing with juvenile and POCSO cases. So far as Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015 is concerned, it focuses on two categories. The first category is child in conflict in law and another is child in need of care and protection. Child in conflict in law means a child who is alleged or have been found to have committed offence and who has not completed 18 years of age on the date of commission of offence. Child in need of care and protection means a child who is found without any home or who is found working in contravention of provisions of labor law or who is residing with such person or guardian who is acting contrary to the interest of the child. All the stakeholders, that is Special Juvenile Police Unit, Counselor, Child Welfare Committee, Advocates, Juvenile Justice Board, are required to follow principles as enumerated in Section 3 of the JJ Act. Some of worth mentioning principles are that of principle of participation, principle of best interest of juvenile, principle of right to privacy and confidentiality. Once a case is registered to a police station and the offender is a juvenile, role of a special juvenile police unit comes into play. This is a unit of police force of district dealing with children and designated as such for handling children. Since police personnel from special juvenile police unit are among us, I would like to remind them that Special Juvenile Police Unit is not supposed to register FIR except where heinous offence is alleged to have been committed by the child or such offence is alleged to have been committed jointly with others. Information about such offence is to be recorded in the daily diary. A CCL is not required to be interrogated, rather he would be interviewed. A CCL cannot be asked to sign an statement, and in petty and serious offences, final report should be filed within 2 months from the date of information to the police. As we all know that members of Juvenile Justice Board are also present, therefore I take this opportunity to apprise them that the criteria of bail to juvenile is not at par with the regular offenders. Bail application of juvenile is to be decided keeping in view the criteria provided in Section 12 of JJ Act. It is for the panel advocates to note that personal bond of CCL is neither required to be filled in the name of CCL nor same is required to be signed by them. Rather, the person in whose custody CCL is to be placed is the appropriate person to sign the bond on the behalf of CCL. The idea behind it is that CCL being minor cannot be bound by any contract. A CCL cannot be declared as proclaimed person, rather he is declared as missing child or runaway child. When at any police station information is received that a CCL is declared as missing child or runaway child, no fresh FIR should be registered against the CCL. When the Juvenile Justice Board found that any child in conflict in law is also a child in need of care and protection, in such scenario, Juvenile Justice Board shall forward such CCL before the Child Welfare Committee. Chairman of Child Welfare Committee is also present among us, who will apprise the gathering about the child in need of care and protection. In this program, we, with help of skit, lectures and speech, would like to make you all aware about various facets of Juvenile Justice Act and POCSO Act. On this occasion, I welcome Director, Deputy Director, Convener and faculty members of Institute of Law, teachers, Chairman of CWC, members of Juvenile Justice Board, police officials, panel advocates, paralegal volunteers, law students and students of the school who have graced this occasion with their presence. Thank you, sir.